Brought to you by JEGS.
I'm Jubee Mays, and I'm here at the AMD warehouse in Waltopia, and I'm hanging out with Jason today, and we're going to be replacing the window seals. We're going to be replacing them on this 86 Dodge. The window felts are for the 80 through 93 Dodge trucks. We're going to be replacing them today, and I'm going to show you how to do it. As you can see, these window seals are dry rotted and breaking. They're pretty brittle, and we all know with these old cars and trucks like this, we always have an issue with it rusting in the bottom, and that rust is due to trash and contaminants getting down in here and clogging the drain holes. And this is a cheap way to save your investment on your doors. They're very inexpensive, and they're fairly easy to put in. It's just going to keep trash out and keep some of the water out. I mean, they're pretty much broken, torn apart here, so we're going to get to removing these. All right, so we're going to start with the removal of the window seal. I found it better to start at this end, and I used some needle nose pliers. And what you want to do is, I try to get the inside one first, is pinch it here and kind of push forward and pull up on it, and be careful not to scratch your paint. This is not really that great, but we don't want to scratch it any more than it is. Work that first clip up, and then you'll see it, the next clip. Oh, brittle, it's breaking. Try not to scratch it. Pull it up, and then we'll work out the end, just like that. As you can see, it's pretty bad. Start on this end with the outside one, pull towards you a little bit, pull up, breaking some of this off to be able to get a hold to it. Oh, and it all came out just like that. I found it easier that where the clips hook in, we have these little clips factory. They're the same on the new ones. I found it easier that where it clips in, if you come in here and just bend it out just a little bit, not too much because you don't want it too loose. And then I found that on the clips are kind of tight, so I kind of just stick my screwdriver in there and I bend it out a little bit to give it some room to move. So these clips, there's slots inside of here, and these clips go in those slots, and you want to start at the vent window and on the inside one, and you want to get that first clip started, and it'll snap, and then you just work your way on down, making sure that they're down in it, and get this in. Try and push it forward to this end as far as you can. These slots in here are like 1 inch long, so you have a little play. Get them lined up, and then just start working them down. I think the last one didn't go in, but we'll get it. The nice thing about the AMD window seal kit is it comes with both inner and outer seals for your truck for both doors. So now I'm gonna repeat the same process just on the outside of the door here. And like I say, try and take care on not scratching up the paint or anything, but start near the inside, near the vent window. You got to get the window on the back side of it. If you notice, I just rolled the window up a little bit so that I could get on the back side, and I'm pushing this corner, this end of the seal, as far as I can this way. That way it gives me some relief back here with this other molding. So I'm going to start working it down in there. Getting all the clips in the slots. Let's see here. There, let's see. It's just a little love on it. As we wrap up this window seal replacement on this 86 Dodge with these AMD window seals, they come for the 80 through 93 models. It's all the same kit. It comes with both seals for both doors and both inner and outer. It's a great way to save your door from rusting, keeps trash and everything out, leaves, debris, stuff that's going to clog the holes, all the drain holes in the door. This side gave us a little bit more problem. It's pretty typical. One side's always going to be worse than the other, but with a little patience, you can end up having great results like this. Just be aware that when, for the first probably few weeks, it's going to be kind of tight because it is a new seal, but I guess that lets you know it's sealing great.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.